Me have couple dog, me know that dead for me. That I say love, that I say loyalty. Before you fuck with the family, just remember me. I for protect the dog, them member enough for it. The money, the fame, no mean nothing to me. If you are free, one of my brother, then you want to free me. After all, dog and us a wait pan a call. 4 rifle in upon a wall. On mark, yeah.
But just meet my niece, nephew, niece, Rian.
Come back! Now them know, sir. We'll go beach tomorrow.
How dare you be naked in my snap?
Eh?
How dare you be naked in my snap?
Me handbag, handbag, yeah. You over there.
So guys, we are going to wedding rehearsal. I want a slush. I'm thirsty. I'm hella dehydrated. Like I'm dehydrated. But yeah, that we are gonna do right now. So we got Sanzi, we got Daddy Rupee, we have my wife, and mommy is over there. Watch ya. She just can't stop ball, like she's ball. Let me go in the go.
Remember,
I should have brought my tripod.
So daddy,
no, palav in a big time.
just reach it before me come.
You know, say never last. I in my bag it there.
Still a compound money, and in a draft and a new money.
Being a bride and being a bridesmaid is very dear.
Serious. Look where you do and pay attention to what you do. This is a Jamaica road with one car around, you know. One whole line of car behind you. One mistake you did.
Hold on to the angle, you're so tight, me I try to pull it, nah, come down.
Me not coward, you know, but you know, try stupid. Phone in on hand, and one on the pan steering.
Nah.
And 1 million car behind you. That me I think about.
I'm good. Them two mad people, yeah. Them two.
June's gonna help with the rehearsal. I gave him the lineup. Rock and roll.
It's real.
No dancing down the aisle.
It's real now. Boy, yo, my friend, I'm married. Jesus Christ. But not even get time with our good. I know she gone to man. We're never gonna hear from her ever again. Never. Airtime is just gonna be 3 square. True. We can't hear Shade. Oh, shush. Me say the wrong place she choose. You should have went Kerry. We got the beach. But we could have yell and scream and do all what me want with the waves. The waves, when the waves drown me out, nobody not hear what me I say.
Champagne.
Oh wow, so is your picture gonna be here? Milana, is your picture gonna be here?
Yeah. Our picture.
You're stupid.
Oh, wow. This is very intelligent. Guys.
Wow.
We get free Pepsi.
Oh wow. Do we get to use it though?
Yeah.
Okay. Friends, step up, you know. Them go have what?
Cover.
Oh, okay. My friend step up in a life. People look on our rehearsal. Them have cup and ice and water. Sandy, are you ready?
I should drink some water.
Yeah, drink it pop. Drink it pop and shit. Right? At least you know, say no poison. So is this the actual room that you're getting? So the ceremony, this is for the ceremony or both? Just the ceremony? So where are we walking in from here or this? Oh.
Son, you had a music box? You have to know, son, you had the water. You know, you're not doing this thing, you're reading to rehearse.
But you see? All right, look. You want... Are we standing up for the whole thing? Please don't do the. Just walk. You're stupid. Just walk regular. I hate when people walk. I hate when they take so long for walk. This is so intelligent.
We have 2 or 3 groomsmen.
3 groomsmen.
Martin, Andre, and
Martin
Ramon.
is the husband. So
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Fader,
Fed, yeah.
Beth, Andre, and Ramon.
Right, Claude.
Where's Claude?
He's not there, but we just found out he's gonna be able to.
Okay, so you added him.
Yeah.
Okay, so 4 ladies, 4 guys.
The thing is that the guys are going to walk in with Martin. So as Martin walk in, he'll go in and they'll follow behind. That's what they want.
Okay, so yeah, how we do it, then you can tell me if you want to change it, okay? First, the pastor will go.
Okay.
And then the best man.
Bitch.
And then the
Oh, yo. Panchade.
all one by one.
Oh.
I mean, not walking with
Whatever. Always make sure you're behind this door.
Okay.
Okay,
Don't want anybody
to see you.
Until you make your appearance.
Right.
Going in. So, if you're standing behind that door, I want you to pause for like a second in the middle here. You're gonna come here. You're gonna pause for a second, smile, and you
Yes,
walk
Brittany,
in.
do one nice, cute little pose with your bouquet,
Very important.
and then you walk in,
You're
go there.
You're behind the door. You have your bouquet by your belly button. You're gonna walk. Turn around. Pause for 1 second, and you keep walking.
My neighbor.
And you're gonna be walking down the middle, and then you're gonna stand on the left side of the stage. Go ahead, Marlene.
Let me see.
Alright, see my laser? You can see this column? You're gonna be standing right next to it. Okay, and you guys. Correct. And then you guys just stand behind her, okay? I'll show you inside, don't worry.
Yeah, because some people need extra help.
Alright, so here we go. We have 2 songs, right? Alright, go ahead. Let me see.
All right, Brittany.
When I play the song?
Wait, I have to tell you when to go. No, don't hurry. You're doing fine. I will slow down a little bit though. 'Cause it's gonna be
Wait,
time.
question.
Go, stop for 1 second and you go. Go now?
All right, and then it's Stacy.
And then go ahead.
Okay. Where's that? Where's that, Kevin? Oh, wait. Oh, Stace on the right as well. You're so stupid. You know, say with your capital K foot, you can't do them something there. Okay? It's stupid. Yeah.
We stand for that, wrong. You need to stand where the laser is.
Thank you. Me, I wear barefoot, but not wearing any pike heel boots. Dam tam tadam. Tam tam tadam. Tam tam tadam. Tam tadam. Tam tadam. Hey. Tam tam tadam. Tam tam tadam. After you're not reaching away yet. And this is the part where you look on where you tell we say Ray.
And then you're
Ray.
gonna pause here. The groom is gonna come down. He's gonna shake Dad's hand. Give mom a little kiss. So we'll take you.
So why make she have 2% get away?
Because she can't get away without Maggie R. Rupee.
Okay.
He said he wants $10,000.
Who's your first one?
Yeah, Samantha's a made up honor.
Samantha. Where's Samantha?
She's
Oh, Samantha's the best one. So I'm gonna have to move Samantha to the front. Okay. Just like the best man is first, maid of honor needs to be first.
Right. So Sammy, you're walking in first. So make sure so you know which spot you have to turn up on.
So who's Brittany?
Brittany.
Okay, so you're gonna be in front of Brittany. Okay. So.
Don't catch me night. I made too much.
I'm at Chick-fil-A. We're at Chick-fil-A. We don't have Chick-fil-A.
I heard their breakfast not good. It is good? We're gonna try one man.
You guys want my Chick-fil-A? Oh my god! Look at that waffle fries. Oh my god, this is so cool. Dirty girl, come she go fart. Dirty girl. Dirty girl. Dirty girl. Dirty girl. Like me, I try to make up one nice name, so when they call me, it sound cute. This is one here, Zoe. Samantha.
Name. I think I forgot your name.
But wait, Samantha collect. Samantha collect.
Samantha.